Hi, I'm Cindy from My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop, and I'm going to demonstrate how to make a cute, simple flower that you can add to any item that you have that you want a little flower. We took a 4.5-inch strip that was 4.5 by 21, folded in half and pressed. I've drawn a 3-inch end on here, and it's about halfway to the width of the fabric, about an inch, and I drew a line across there. That's going to be our tail. Putting the edge of the scallop on the fold line, not on the raw edge. This is the raw edge, this is the scallop line. And I'm going to trace around it. Trace around this using a friction pen or a water-soluble pen, something that will come off of your fabric. And then what we're going to do is we're going to sew 1/4 inch inside of that traced line. And we can use a contrasting thread, or we can use a thread that coordinates with it. I'm using black on the orange right now. And I've set my machine for 1/4 inch, and I'm sewing around here. And you don't have to be too precise. Do this all the way down, and when you get that done, then what you're going to do is you're going to cut those scallops out, and I'll show you how to do that. You're going to cut along this line that you drew, and you're going to cut all the way up. This is the raw edge, this is the folded edge, and you're going to cut up to the scallop line, and then you're going to cut around the scallop line. And I can show you on this one how that's all cut out. And I've trimmed it, and then I ironed. Now I'm going to gather this folded line with a needle and thread that I've already threaded. And I'm going to gather it up all the way to this point, and just run a gathering stitch along here, about 1/8 of an inch in from the edge. And just keep gathering and pulling that tight as you go, and you're going to gather and gather and gather. I pulled this together as tight as I can, and now I'm going to secure this gather by just tacking it at the end. I'm going to bring this around the tail. My thread, sometimes it gets a little, and I'm going to sew it together in a circle, these gathers, with the tail down at the bottom. And all I do is just catch it in as I go around this tail with this gathered petals that I have. And I just tack it around until I have them all secure. This selvage edge off of my end, so I don't need that. And I'm going to use this to cover my end of my flower. I'm going to flatten that out and sew this to the bottom of my flower so that it covers all those raw edges. So what it looks like is that.